Hi everyone, it's Ed from RU Cars. Today we've got this 2014 Nissan X-Trail. This one's a 2-litre DCI automatic. It is the Tekna model, so it's the top of the range one. It's finished in haptic blue with the black leather, and it's done 58,000 miles. It's got a comprehensive service history with 10 services, 2 owners, with the last person owning it from 6 months old, and it's in fantastic condition throughout. Rides on the 18-inch alloy wheels. Got tyres all round. It's got the privacy glass, the large sunroof, keyless entry, reverse camera with top view. So it's got mirrors in the cameras as well, so you get the bird's eye view. These Tekna models come fully loaded. We've got electric seats, navigation, Bose audio, etc. They drive really well and they are very popular. As you can see, super condition. It's got the xenon lights. I'll show you in the car. Start with the boot. Really good sized boot, all very clean. Got your locker and your roof rail kit there in the drawer. Got your load cover present. These floors do come out if you need it to be lower, if you've got a dog that jumps in or something. Inside, we've got the black leather with the contrasting white stitch. As you can see, the rear seats, they're immaculate. Do have Isofix, if you can see the little Lego there. Got the centre armrest, and these rear seats do recline slightly. Got electric windows all round with folding mirrors. As I already mentioned, the Bose audio, the electric front seats. These are also heated. Minimal wear to the driver's seat. We've got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. As I've already said, heated seats, navigation with camera system, all very nice. The mileage is 58440, and I'll just start the car so you can see there's no funny noises, no warning lights, etc. Oil levels all okay, as you can see there. There you have it. No nasties there. Got your navigation, CD, auxiliary. Got your navigation. Oh, SD card must be in the office. And then also the camera system. You've got your rear view camera and your top view camera with curb view, as you can see there. It's quite clever, so when you're parking you can be sure not to curb your wheels. We've got auto climate control, your cup holders, etc. And finally the big sunroof. There we go, all working nicely, and that's really it. Loads of storage in the X-Trail, cubby holes everywhere, large one there on the dash. You've got your drinks holders. These are actually, I believe, temperature controlled from the climate. I know they were on the older model, and I'm sure they are on these. So in the summer you keep a cold drink in there, and in the winter keep a warm drink in there. And yeah, that's really it. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.